Ice cream lovers, Steve Christensen's my name, self-appointed headmaster of Scoop School here. Welcome to this session. We are making a pumpkin pie ice cream. Not my favorite, I'm going to tell you. Pumpkins should really only be roasted and served with turkey or roast. Anyway, I do want to thank our episode sponsor, which is Classic Mix. Ted Galloway, you've got all the Galloway family, you've got Hank Sweeney up there, up in America's Dairyland, way up there in beautiful Wisconsin. Thank them for their episode sponsorship. Their link is down below. If you look down here, what we've got is a beautiful 8 quarts of 14% ice cream base. Have a look at it. It's like mother's milk. It's a very easy recipe to do. We're going to take basically one whole can of Libby's 100% pumpkin. It's a very easy recipe and you can buy all of these from the shelf. We're going to take and instantly open this can. What's this? Shing! Ha ha! I gotta love the shing. We're going to drop this straight down into our mix. One whole can. I think it's 16 ounces. I'll check the can before I'm done. The nice thing too is you've got the smell, the texture of pumpkin. What have we got here? It's a 29 ounce can. It'll give you color, it'll give you flavor. It's 100% natural. There's no this, no that. The nice thing too is it whisks nice and easy. So you can use an immersion blender if you want, but you'll get that beautiful pumpkin-y flavor, texture. It's beautiful. The batch freezer will do a good job as well of mixing this up. But you don't need to add anything color-wise because it'll give you that nice earthy pumpkin tone to it. Now, what can we do to make this a little bit more pumpkinier? McCormick Pumpkin Pie Spice. Have a look at it. The whole container. I know what you're saying. I know that it's concentrated. That's the whole deal. Now sprinkle this on the top, like fairy dust. Bing-a-ling. This will also give us a little bit of granulation. You're going to get some fleck through it. And it'll just highlight some of those pumpkin notes. You've got a little bit of clove in there as well, our pumpkin pie spice. Now, another thing too to enhance up here, enhance the flavor is we're going to be using a Indonesian vanilla today. Indonesia is a much more woody, earthy type of vanilla. We're only going to use about ½ ounce per gallon. I've got 2 gallons here, so I want 1 full ounce of our Indonesian vanilla. We're going to drop that in. This is going to be for a flavor enhancer. It's going to enhance the flavor of the pumpkin. While we're getting this ready, while this ages per se, we're going to get a couple of packets of graham crackers here. We're just going to break them up within the packet. No need to dirty your Cambro, get knives and things going. Crunch it up nice and well. We'll probably do 2 or 3 of these. We've got a lot of orders this time of year for pumpkin spice ice cream. And, okay, eyes up. We're going to take it over to the batch freezer. Okay, we've got a fully sanitized Electro-Freeze 24 quart batch freezer. Straight down the gullet with our mix. Beautiful. That's Insta-worthy. Look, we'll even bring it up. Got to keep the fans happy. Oh, yeah. A couple of follows out of that. Ice cream lovers, we've got a nice cold bucket here, straight out of the blast freezer. It's got to be colder than the product that you're putting in, ding, 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 which is about 18 degrees. Right down there, we're going to turn the dasher off, up here, ding, down to our extraction chute. We're going to open up here. Look at that beautiful waterfall of molten pumpkin pie spice lava. Going to cut it off there, make sure those corners are filled first. That's really important. You don't want any cavities in there. A little bit of our graham cracker here, a little bit of a fold, because we want everyone to get some of that goodness. Look at that. You could put a ribbon of caramel in here, which would be fine. Next layer comes down. Get the graham crackers ready, rotate that bucket. Drop it straight down there, flatten it down. Again, you want to make sure that you're counting, sorry about that, you're counting the amount of particulate matter, flavors, add-ins that you go in there, because you don't want to make sure that you expend on your toppings. You want to make sure that you can accurately determine how much you're paying for this ice cream. Last batch here for this bucket. We'll drop that down. Look at that. Don't want to go too full. Up and over the side. Again, give it a nice little massage. You want to be a little forceful with it without pushing any air out of it. Last little sprinkle here. Fold it up. And we always save a little bit of that graham cracker for the dressing. Fold that in. We're going to make sure that we've got a good decoration on the top. We're going to bring it over to the table over here. Whooshka, there she is. Some beautiful pumpkin pie ice cream. We're going to dress it with a little bit more graham cracker action on the top. And ladies and gentlemen, I give to you pumpkin pie ice cream. Buon appetito! The recipe will be down here with the links. We do want to thank Classic Mix for their episode sponsorship. Their link is down below too. I hope you have the best of the fall season. Last thing we're going to do with this bucket here, we're going to put a little bit of wax paper over the top. We want to make sure we protect it before it goes into the blast freezer, and then we're going to whiz it off. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks for joining us. Again, everything is down below. Leave a comment, leave a question, leave a concern. Love to hear from you all. There's one last thing. I'm going to wish you a happy keep on scooping. See you in the next video.